Students of class 4th and 5th, welcome all of you in the online classes of SRPS. Today we are going to learn chapter Scratch part 1. Okay, let's start. Before learning Scratch, we will learn what is a program. So students, the sequence of instruction given to a computer is called program. Once again, the sequence of instruction given to a computer is called a program. What is programming language? The special computer language in which we write programs are called computer programming language. Once again, the special computer language in which we write programs are called computer programming language. Let's move ahead. Now, what is Scratch? A Scratch is a graphical programming language used to create animation, games, stories, and much more. Once again, a Scratch is a graphical programming language used to create animations, games, stories, and much more. It is easy to understand and learn. Basic principle of Scratch is imagine, program, and share. Student, what you need to do? You need to imagine. You need to just imagine some story or animation. You need to do programming for that, and you can create your own animation and you can share with your friends. Fine. Components of Scratch. Let us discuss some of these parts. First part is sprite. Each object in Scratch which is programmed to animate is called a sprite. The Scratch cat is one of the sprite of the Scratch program. Once again, each object in Scratch which is programmed to animate is called a sprite. The Scratch cat is one of the sprites of the Scratch program or software. See, this is this Scratch cat. This is the sprite. On this object, we will do some programming through which this cat will move and animation will perform. Fine. Now next, stage. The area where sprite moves and performs actions is called the stage. The project actually runs here. Once again, the area where sprite moves and performs actions is called the stage. The project actually runs here. As you can see, this cat is there in this white box. This white box is called stage, where this cat will perform some action, some animation will be performed here. So this white portion is called stage. Next is blocks categories. These contain 9 categories of color coded blocks. Each category has different set of blocks for various actions. Each block is a specific command that is dragged in the code area. What are block categories? These are the block categories. Different blocks are there with different colors, and different commands are there in this block categories. Fine, different commands are there. What we need to do, we need to drag this command over here like this. Fine, we need to drag this command like here and we can create animation over here. Fine. Next, script or code area. This is the area where the code is written. A code is the collection of stepwise instructions that are given to the sprite to do specific task. Once again, script code area. This is the area where the code is written. A code is the collection of step-wise instructions that are given to script to do a specific task. Students, we need to drag these commands over here to perform some action. Fine, like this. So this is the area where we need to do coding. We will bring this command blocks here by dragging. As you can see, I have used two commands over here. First one is this orange one. When green flag is clicked, when we will click green flag, what will happen? This sprite will move 10 steps. The meaning of this command you need to understand. When I will click on this green flag, this sprite will move 10 steps. So let's see, I am clicking on here. As you can see, this I am clicking again and again, and this cat is moving 10 steps ahead. So in this way, you can do programming. Fine, you can move any object by doing programming. We'll learn many things more in our next video. So these are the main parts of Scratch window. I hope you have understood. So students, you have a Scratch chapter in your book. Read that chapter, see this video 2-3 times so that you can understand better this software, and you can create animation by yourself. If you have computer at you can do practice. Thank you very much.